All right, so today we're going to talk about these lights here. It's been a while since I've been down here to admire the newly redone bathroom. It looks pretty good. We've already done that video. I don't like the kind of light or the sort of reddish tinge to it. You can't quite see it. I can see it and it bothers me, but that's fine. It's fine. It's all good. It's all good. We'll have to find another paint for the rest of this. And I haven't done that yet. I've been just absolutely doing nothing about the paint issue for the rest of the house because I just have this great resistance to going to Home Depot and testing out paints, and it's just obnoxious. But I don't think it's going to be that difficult. It's just, I don't know. But anyways, there was one other issue with this, is that the cover here, the glass shade, as you can see, I don't know if you can see it from here. Can you see it from here? Yes, you can see it. There's a crack in there. And one of the issues is when I bought this, there we go. Let's not flash everybody here. When I bought this, I did see a small crack in it. It got worse, but then they installed it, and then I realized, there's still a crack here. So I asked Home Depot, and I inquired about the warranty, and they're like, well, go contact the manufacturer. The manufacturer says, go call Home Depot, right? So after how many, phone calls and emails, and then you have to call the manufacturer again, it's like, oh my God. So I just wanted one little thing, because, I didn't secure this as hard as I could because it was already cracking. That's why anyways, so they could just send one of these out in a little package or something, or if it was available, because it's a weird shape. It's kind of a square up here, but it's kind of cylindrical, right? And, just send me something new. Just send me one of these that's not cracked. Thank you so much. And even the company doesn't actually sell just one of these. So you know what they did? They sent a whole entire package out, all right? And I'm here thinking, how does anybody make money this way? This retailed for $100, and one of the reasons I bought it is because, let's see, is it? Of course, you can hear a little bit of a sound here. Yeah, I love these dimmer lights. They're just, anyways. But the reason that I bought this is it looks okay, but it's also $50. $50 for a nice looking set of lights like this. So they send you a new one, all right, just to replace one. How are they making money? Anyways, that's their problem, but, I don't think I'm going to go with this one for the upstairs bathroom. And this was the other thing, is I'm going to do the bathroom down here, get others to do it, and I'll learn a little bit from it. The other thing I learned is, unless you specifically tell them, do this exactly the right way, they painted over the, this is another issue, is that it hits it like, I knew this in houses that I looked at, that this happens when they redo it. And I don't know, maybe the guy should have put it up or something, because it's reversible. He could have put, it doesn't matter now. I guess don't slam it into there. But we have 4 extra, or we have 3 replacements after this. So even if you slam it in there a few times, you still have a couple left now. But you don't tell them exactly, hey, take the hinges off. Don't paint over the hinges. No, they'll just paint over it, and then it looks weird, and because if we're going to paint the kitchen cabinets, take it off the hinges. This is just so sloppy. Come on, guys. And then the rust kind of comes out because it's metal. Anyways, it's fine. It's fine. We learn something new every day. And that's it. So I have no idea how companies make money by just saying, we don't actually have that one thing you need replaced, so we'll send you a whole new thing. But, here we are, so